Cranes101 and Cranes Aerial Truck Service have an amazing safety management portal online where you can manage all your employee safety training needs. So how do you add a new student to the portal? That's easy. Just follow these steps. First, sign into our portal. Click on Your Account in the left-hand menu. Select the Student tab. Then click on the Add Student button. From there, you can add as much information about your employee as you like. If your training needs include any of our online courses, please be sure to add an email address to the profile. Once you have finished, click Submit at the top of the page. Your employee will get an email, if an email address was included, about their new student account. How easy is that? Save time, money, and office space with the new safety management portal from Cranes.